Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you how to allow camera access on TikTok. If you are using TikTok app and now you want to allow camera access to TikTok, so let's see how can you do it. The first step is that you just have to open your phone settings and then select apps. In apps, select see all apps and here look for TikTok. Here's that, just select it and here select permissions, then select camera and here select allow only while using the app. If you won't find this in settings, so just keep a long press on TikTok app and then select info and here select permissions, then select camera and here you just have to select the first option, which is allow only while using the app. So that's how you can allow camera access on TikTok. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.